The PaintManager XI color software is a powerful color management tool that takes technicians, managers, and shop owners to an entirely new level of productivity and performance in their workplace. This short video will help you set up users in your software. Let's get started. Creating different users in the software allows each technician or shop owner to have different preferences and favorites. Once you've activated your software, you'll receive a prompt to create a new user. Input your name so that other users can see who the account belongs to, then set up your password. This first account will automatically be designated as an administrator, giving full access to the software for this user. Good job! You've successfully added your first user into the software. You can add additional users into the software and then further tailor those to meet the specific roles at the shop. Let's see that now. To set up additional users, go to the dashboard and click Settings. From there, click User Management and then Add User at the top right. You'll see a page not unlike the initial activation page in which you can then name the user, attach a password and language, and even set an expiration date if your shop uses temporary workers. Under Presets, you'll be able to tell the software what the new user does in the shop. This will auto-populate the permissions list below. This list shows what windows and actions a user is allowed to manage and use, and can be edited to the specific needs of your shop. Decide whether or not the new user will be an administrator. This will give the user full access to modify the settings within the software and add users, and would be recommended for managers and shop owners. Once this is done, click Save to save your new user into the software. Nicely done! You've added a new user. Let's move on now to our final topic, how to edit an existing user. To edit an existing user, go to Settings from the dashboard, then User Management. You'll see the initial count you set up at the beginning of the process, as well as the new user you just added. Let's edit the new user by clicking on Edit on the right side of the panel. This will bring up the screen we saw earlier when we were setting up the new user, and you can make any modifications necessary from here. As always, be sure to click Save to save your settings. Congratulations! You've learned how to manage users in the PaintManager XI color software. Please be sure to contact our help desk if you have any further questions, and as always, be sure to keep a close eye out for future videos in this series.